Good afternoon, my name is Jorge Enrique Rey Maldonado. Now we'll explain my PowerPoint presentation. Now the name of my classmates. The date is December 12, 2021. Step 6, Prepare Technology Negotiation. Tutor Ingrid Tatiana Gomez. Definition of how to protect the intellectual property of the software. Columbia Software Company S.A. is a Colombian company dedicated to design and support of application for management purposes. The company is working on the design of a new application that allows integrating financial accounting data with the design of the management system that part of the principles on the balance score and the time drive ABC. This application aims that the manager in real time can measure the achievement of this strategy and carry out and continuous monitoring them, as well as allowing you to measure the cost of activities in organization process. Value method used to establish the price and reason of the selection. Cost method based on the research and development cost-saving approach. Potential fair market value. Market method based on the royalty approach. Potential fair market value. Income method from approach of the allocation of profits between the creator of the license and who distributes or use it. Potential fair market value. General conditions of license and negotiation. Columbia Software Company S.A. offers an intangible asset that manages to measure strategies and continuously monitor them. The license option is 1 year. In this option, they can be used according to the type software developed, private or property, free or semi-free. One conclusion per student explaining the importance of preparing the negotiation of the technology to achieve the best result. It's very important to prepare a previous document that allows the parties, the license and the license to create an written agreement that takes into account the way to protect the intellectual property of the software and the value method uses to establish the price and the reason for the selection in order to establish the general condition of the license and negotiation. Reference. Now I have the reference. Okay, thank you. Bye.